God, you can't see this, but I have a hot water bottle and a fuzzy blanket down here. It is so cold. Hello, darlings. Oh my goodness, it's been a while since I sat down with a proper camera and filmed a full-length YouTube video. It's only been since Christmas. I filmed at Christmas, but it doesn't feel like it. It feels like forever, but it is so nice to be back. I have really been missing making YouTube videos recently, so I thought I would make one because I have a very exciting package to unbox for you. You may have seen my little short video unboxing my first proper special pair of dance shoes specifically designed for dancing, and those are by Groovy Fox, and I absolutely love them. I've been wearing them all the time to dance classes and they're just super gorgeous and super duper comfortable, but I wanted to look into getting a pair of high-heeled special, like, proper dance shoes, because they have dance shoes that I can wear that are really comfortable and really great. I have a pair from Charlie Stone and a pair from Betty Page, but I wanted to just have a look at the Saint Savoy website and see if they had any offers on. I found a super beautiful pair of shoes, but they were not in my size, and so I emailed the company. They had a little drop an email here if you can't see your size, and I said, if you're ever restocking these, could you please consider making these in a size 41, which is my size, because I would absolutely love to get them. And I think it was the next day that I received an email saying, hey, guess what, we have one pair of size 41s and they are discounted because they have like a tiny like pressure line in the heel. Do you want them? And I was like, yes, please give me the shoes. So that was a purchase I was not planning on making this month, but I had to. And they have arrived. Don't mind my hair, by the way. I am getting it done in literally 2 hours, so I didn't want to do like a whole fancy style with like a load of hairspray and stuff, because what is the point? Oh, here they are. Can't get it out. Okay. Here are the shoes, Saint Savoy, and these are the Grace Flamingo style in size 41. Oh, this is going on my inspiration board. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Our dance shoes are created to fit your dancing needs and comfort your feet in the style of great historic eras. We manufacture shoes with high-quality footbeds and insoles that ensure excellent everyday wearability. Saint Savoy continually reinvents traditional shoe models with custom soles and heels to make them ideal for dancing and everyday use. They are crafted by small producers in Europe using only the finest materials from the EU and guaranteed fair working conditions. How awesome is that? There's also a little letter with my name on it. I'm guessing this is just an invoice. Yes. Okay, so I will keep hold of that. Naturally, I wouldn't expect anything else. They come with a beautiful bag for the shoes. And there's a layer of tissue paper over them. Oh, they're so, oh, they're just stunning. They're so stunning. Oh my goodness. Let's take it out of the plastic bag. Oh gosh, everything is so beautifully branded. Even the tape is branded. Do I need branded tape? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So these are completely and utterly stunning. The sole is gorgeous. It's got a little... So once I've tried it on and I know they fit, I can remove this thing and then it'll get to what I think they said was brushed leather for the sole. Wow, this is a gorgeous mix of what feels like leather and a kind of suede element and this beautiful metallic detail. Look at this. Wow, let's start a wow counter. But oh wow, 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 wow. They have these gorgeous cross front shoes, which is really appealing for me because a lot of my shoes are ankle strap, which is really handy for, you know, security and keeping them on your feet. But I also suffer intermittently with eczema, and one of my places that I do tend to get it is at that front bit of the ankle. So sometimes if I'm in a flare up, I don't want shoes that are gonna rub and irritate in those places. So this style will be perfect. It is a sort of 1930s, 1940s shoe style. I am so excited to try these on. I'm so excited. Let's get the other one out. So these are stunning. But we all know that the true test of dance shoes is, number one, if they even fit me. And number two, if I can dance in them. So let's test that out right now. Okay. So let's try these on. Oh, that is glorious. That is such a good fit. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm really impressed. I have very wide feet here. A lot of shoes I do tend to struggle with for that exact reason, but that is a gorgeous, gorgeous fit. Oh yeah, again, I got big ass feet. By big ass feet, I mean size 8. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Look at the lines that sort of creates on my feet. It's really elegant. Stand up here. Okay, that is incredibly comfortable. They feel amazing. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. I mean, you can just see the line and the structure that these give you. And because there are so many colors in here, like look at the color gradient on these. There are so many things that I can wear this with. Oh my god. Oh, stunning, stunning, stunning. But there is one more test. So these are amazing. They are so comfortable. They are incredibly flattering on the feet. But I am a Lindy hopper, and that is why I bought these shoes, is so I could wear them for Lindy hop. So I'm gonna go down to the kitchen and we are gonna test out some Lindy steps in these shoes on tile and see how they go. But first things first, oh yes, these are mine and I'm keeping them. Oh, stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Okay. Everything's a bit of a mess around here, so please do like ignore the mess. Just look at my pretty feet. But we're gonna throw a bit of swing music on and I'm just gonna do some basic steps and see how these soles feel. I will probably have to change the music that I'm listening to for copyright reasons, but I'll just have a dance. Oh yeah.
A little different than all the rest. I quite a fashion where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey knees. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met when you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Oh yeah. Okay. These absolutely pass every conceivable test. They are so good. They're so smooth. Really easy to dance in. Oh, I love them. I love them. Wait, let's try something a little bit faster. Okay, so my review is, where have these shoes been? My whole life, my whole dance life. An impulsive financial decision? Absolutely. But an incredibly good one. They are just completely stunning. I love these so much already. I'm gonna put them in the bag. Put my Saint Savoy bag of my Saint Savoy shoes. Oh, they're so beautiful. So I would absolutely rate them a 10 out of 10 for appearance. They look so true to the era. They look absolutely completely stunning. They are really, really comfortable so far. Obviously I'll have to wear them to a proper dance to really get a feel for them, but so far, no complaints. They are absolutely, completely stunning, and I think they're going to be a fantastic addition to my wardrobe. So thank you so much to Saint Savoy for selling me these shoes. Thank you so much. They were really communicative, really amazing, and I am just so happy and so excited. So this was it. Let me know if you liked this review video and unboxing. It was really fun. I have another exciting package coming that I'm going to do a full unboxing of, and I want to do kind of a recent haul, like roundup. I think that will be really fun. So yeah, let me know what kind of content you would like to see from my YouTube channel, because even though I can't make YouTube videos as often as I used to, I still want to keep up with it because I really enjoy it. If you want more regular vintage style Lindy Hop content from me, you can follow me on social media at A Very Vintage Darling. And if you want to follow my singing, because if you don't know, I am a semi-professional vintage singer, you can find me at The Vintage Soprano or at Bombshell Rianne. I love you all so very much. I hope that I spread some happiness and sparkles into your day, and remember to have a lucky life glamorously lived. Bye!